Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am just coming on here to talk about a very important subject. I just want to come in here and talk about a very important subject. For today, I'm going to put on some lip gloss that I got from Kylie Jenner lip gloss. It's really good. And I want to tell you something, you guys. I just experienced something today, and I just learned something about people in general. Everyone is not your friend. Everyone is not your friend. Everyone is not going to support you on your journey. And I just personally went through a situation today where I found out that someone was really not my friend. They were a fake friend the whole time. And the lip gloss I'm going to be trying on is from Kylie Jenner. Yeah, I found out somebody in my family was a fake friend to me the whole time. And I immediately, you guys, was like in shock. I was in shock because I just couldn't believe somebody would say that about me as a person. And it's like, now I know that everyone is not your friend out here, and there's some people that can't be trusted. And I realize that now, you guys, growing up and being in my 20s and going through things in life, I realize that everyone is not your friend in life, and that it's okay to not be friends with everyone, because everyone is not your friend, and you shouldn't trust everybody. And like, I realized that today, that the person that I thought was my friend or was a good person in my life was never really there for me. And it really broke my heart today to learn about that today. But I literally, I cried a little bit because I thought this person really liked me. Came to find out they never did like me. And I was baffled, but I learned from that situation of understanding that everyone would not be your friend in life. Sometimes people put on a front, they will pretend like they like you, but sometimes people put on fronts and they pretend like, oh yeah, I'm your friend, I like you. And came to find out this person never really liked you like that. Like you thought they liked you, but they never really liked you like that. And it's like, I realized that today, you guys, that real friends would never talk crap about you or harass you behind your back. Real friends stand up for you. And fake friends, they pretend like they like you, but they don't like you. And fake friends, they try to sabotage your life. Okay, guys, it's getting really hot in here. I'm gonna turn my car on because it's like really hot. It's summertime. And I've had people to do that to me, you guys. I had people to sabotage my life and try to get the best of me. And to the point I realized they were never my friend. They were never a real friend to me. They were never my real friend. They were a fake friend. And how to identify the real friends from the fake. The real friends would never try to sabotage you or bring you down. But fake friends, they bring you down as they try to sabotage your life all the time. And I realized that today, like, I had a bunch of fake friends in my corner, and I really didn't have no real friends that was supportive for me, that was really supporting me. So that's all I have to say for this video, you guys. If you have fake friends in your life, just get them out your life. I had to come to terms with who was my real friends and who was my fake friends. And it's like, this person, they really made me believe that they were really my friend, and they came to find out they were not really my friend the whole time. They really never liked me, and I just found that out today, and it was really heartbroken when I did find that out. But whatever's done in the dark, you guys, will come to the light. whatever is in the dark will eventually come to light. And so I'm glad it did come to light. And so you guys have a blessed day.